Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google AdWords Callout Extensions for your ads in the new interface. Hello and welcome back. Thanks for joining in. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the new Google interface to set up your callout extensions for your text ads. Now, callout extension allows you to add additional information which you can use in your ads. So as you can see over here, you've got two ways you can make your ad look. One is the prominent and the other one is the compact. So I'll always go with the prominent, and you can see over here that these are the callouts. Wherever you see this little dots on the ads in between the text, that is a callout. So you've got four different callouts you can add, or up to four different callouts you can add. Each one has got a maximum character limit of 25 characters, so it's quite big, and you can add quite a bit of information in here. So first of all, you can add to either at account level, campaign level, or ad group level. So if your callouts are basically the same and you've got very similar services or products you sell, then you can just set it up on your account level. So every time you create a new campaign, you don't have to do this. It will automatically allow it. So I'm going to put this up at a campaign level. And now I'm going to write my first callout. So what you need to do is to look at your landing page and see what information you would like to add on the callouts. So let me drag my landing page onto the screen. There you go. Okay, so I can see over here that I've got all these bullet points which will highlight my features of the video course, and it will attract my potential visitors to the ad. So let me drag this across over here, and I'm just going to copy and paste the text. Okay, so I would delete that bit. I would say in the callout text 1, over 2 hours of videos, or you can put in the number of videos if you were offering a video course, and I'll decapitalize that. Increase conversions. That fits in nicely, and increase conversion rate. So you can see over here on the preview that how the callouts will look, and I'm going to go on to the desktop version as well. And now my ad is a lot bigger, and not a lot of advertisers use callouts, but it's a great way to increase the visibility of your ads, make the ads a lot bigger, and also put in a lot more information on your ads as well. Then we scroll down under advanced options, and you've got the device preference. If you only want your callouts to show on mobile, which I don't tend to check, then you have got your scheduling, whether you wish to have a start or an end date for a particular callouts, or during certain days, if you want the callouts to just run during the weekdays or the weekends, and during certain times, i.e. During your opening times. Then you can set this all up over here, but I tend not to use this scheduling bit. And then you save, and then it will save it, it'll get reviewed, and that is it. So that's how you create a callout in the expanded text ads in the new Google AdWords interface. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.